Hi friends, my name is Arushket Jalindar Yadav and I will discuss today's topic in object life cycle in Java. In this tutorial, we will learn life cycle of object in Java step by step. We should pronounce object are born, alive their life cycle and then die at the end. There are following steps come in life cycle of an object in Java. There are as follows. Life cycle in object in Java. First step is creation of dot class file on disk, and next second is loading dot class file into memory, and third looking for initialize static member of class, and fourth ways to initialize class in Java, and fifth allocation of memory of object into reference variable, and sixth is the calling of the constructor of a class, and seven removing of object and reference variable from memory. Step 1 is the creation of dot class file on disk. As you know that your Java program run on the Java virtual machine JVM. When we compile Java class, it is transformed into bytecode, which is platform and machine independent. The compiled classes are stored as a dot class file on a disk. And second is a loading dot class file into memory. Refer that the Java runtime finds out of class on the disk that is in the form of dot class file. Java class loader loads the class into memory, and then Java runtime in the reads into the memory. And second, third step is looking for initialized static member of a class. Now Java looks for all initialized static member of the class, such as static method, static field, and static block. You always remember that all the static member of the class do not belong you any particular instance of the class. It belong to the class itself and is shared by all the object created from the class. And second, next step is a fourth step, ways into initialize class in Java. A class can be initialized in two ways in Java. First, when you access the static field or static method of the class. For example, when you run the main method in a class, the class is initialized because the main method in static, and the second way to when object of instance of the class is created using the new keyword, the class is initialized. And fifth step is allocation of memory for object and reference variable in stage 5. Java allocate the memory on the heap for the object and memory on the stack for object reference variable. And next step is sixth step, calling of the constructor of class. After allocating the memory, JVM calls the constructor of the class, which is like a method, but it's called only one when the object is created. Thus the object lives in the providing access to fields. And next seventh step is a removing of object and reference variable of the memory. When the accessing of field and method are completed, the object and its reference are removed from the memory by the JVM, and this time as object as the type. Uh, the life cycle object in Java. I hope that I will understood an object is work live their life the die at the end. Thank you.